Now, viewers, something interesting is happening. This is a different story. Related, though. Just as we're coming into the studio, we were told by our sources, reliable, that 2 new petitions have been sent to the president against Justice Torkonu. We said, wow, 2 new petitions, 2, have gone to the president against Justice Torkonu. Whilst there's no limit to how many petitions can go to the president against a chief justice, we need to recognize that there's something going on. 3 petitions are pending now. The petition that the government was told that you cannot go ahead with these petitions without showing it to her. That was a major issue. And then they did. And they've seen that having done so with the injunction and all that, it may create a problem. This issue of you didn't give it to her can create a problem. So let's formulate 2 new petitions. In fact, in the 3 petitions, one of the matters that was addressed had already been addressed in the Akufo-Addo petition. This issue of she empaneled judges or she's recommended judges and all those things. It was addressed in the Akufo-Addo petition, but they repeated it. And I don't know whether the prima facie is going to cancel it to say that this has already been addressed. So I don't know whether they have new matters for new petitions or that is the same old matter. But quite clearly, there's an unseen hand that appears to be gathering and governing this process. And that unseen hand is noticing that there seem to be legal obstacles with the first one. Legal, political, and legitimacy questions are being raised about the first 3. So they are formulating another one wherein they will just give the petition to Madam so that it doesn't look like they've jumped the gun. This is Akufo-Addo's letter that was written at the time. 2024 December, petition for the removal of the Honorable Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, Her Ladyship Getrude Torkonu, pursuant to provisions of Article 146 of the 1992 Constitution. This is what Akufo-Addo wrote as follows. I hope this finds you in good health. And Akufo-Addo is writing to the Chairman of the Council of State. I hope this finds you in good health and spirit. I write further to my letter dated 18 December 2024 to you, forwarding a copy of the petition dated 17 December 2024 from one Professor Kweku Asare. By a letter dated 20th December, I forwarded a copy of the petition to the Chief Justice. In line with the rules of natural justice, the right to a fair hearing for her response to the allegations made against her in the petition. By a letter dated 23rd December 2024, the Chief Justice submitted her response to the petition, together with the supporting evidence. I hereby forward a copy of the Chief Justice's response and supporting documents for your consideration. I will be grateful for the Council's expeditious views on this matter. So here's Addo Akufo-Addo, who forwarded to the Council of State the petition and the Chief Justice's response. This is the matter that President Mahama didn't do, for which reason we are in court tomorrow. When I say we, I mean the people of Ghana. There's a court case. For which reason there's a court case tomorrow morning where the Supreme Court is going to hear whether the process should be injuncted pending the final determination of the matter to settle the matter, whether or not the Chief Justice has a right of hearing in the matter. You will see that in the Attorney General's response ahead of tomorrow, he seems to say that the Chief Justice has no right of response. Well, we'll leave it for the court to determine that. But what we can say for you tonight is that 2 new petitions have hit the desk of John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana. Okay.